Clear Brown, North Dallas, 23 Model X full wrap in a matte film. We use the Xpel product, so this is referred to as Stealth. Other lines call it matte, but ultimately it's a matte paint protection film that still self-heals, no waxing, self-heals on scuffing, scratching, and prevents against impacts. So without further ado, let's check it out. And when wrapping any of these cars, the Vet, the Audi, old Porsche back there, the Yukon, or this Expedition, we make sure that we wrap all these edges. And just like today, I spoke to some clients who thought wrapping meant just wrap this. Well, that term is used rather loosely because wrapping is wrapping the edges around the backside. This way there's no exposure up here of a line, the fenders, anywhere that you can wrap it around. It causes the film to stay like this for a long time past its warranty. This is a 10-year guarantee. If you have a line here and nothing got wrapped, think about all the hazard or all the washing, the towels are going to hit it, weather, wherever you live. Eventually, if there's a line on top, it's going to start to get dirty and it's going to fray. That is not covered by the warranty. That's wear and tear, unfortunately. You can read the warranties on Xpel.com. They're a great warranty. However, your installation is interpreted differently by installers, and there's nothing wrong with not wrapping the edges, except for it's not the best wrap for longevity. Let's just say that. So wrapping the edges is what I prefer to do, no matter what car I do. That's the only method I have. And when you've got a fender and a hood that look like this, it doesn't look like anything's on it. You know, the doors are like that. The A-pillars are like that. The mirrors all the way around. Underneath these moldings on the doors, all the way around. So you get the point. So here's our color, the gloss on the inside. We don't do any of this, but there you go. There's your gloss. Close. There you go. And all these A-pillars fully wrapped in. I think we're good on this. It's ready for delivery tomorrow. We'll get onto that Expedition here in a minute. All fully wrapped inside here. None of these come out. We're able to get in there. None of this comes off. We're able to get under here. The full hatch, one piece, not like some programs. Everything we do is custom. It's not very much money. It's just the way to go. So this is how I practice it. This is how I've always done it for 34 plus years. And if you're looking for a good install, to give us a call at Clear Brown, North Dallas, 214-414-3809. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com is our website. And we also used Xpel's XR Plus window film, the highest heat rejection available. Full windshield, all in one piece, all the doors, plenty of heat rejection on this car. It's got the best paint protection film in the market, 8 mil, fastest self-healing. So this guy, this is his third Tesla in the last 5 years. He always comes to me, and we always do a great job, and he comes back every time. So our installation guarantee is the life of the car as long as you're the registered owner. The paint protection film is in writing. You're provided a hard card from Xpel to go online and register it with the specific roll numbers that we use on this car. And same for the window tint. Lifetime guarantee on the tint. And with the XR Plus, we allow one window at no charge for replacement. We don't charge any type of a guarantee for hazard. If you mess up a window with your seatbelt buckle, loading golf clubs, whatever, and you chip the tint, I provide a warranty through Clear Brown, North Dallas, where I would place that tint on that window one time per window, absolutely no charge. So, and no questions asked. Take care. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com. You guys have a good night.